Changing the phone number on your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information quickly. Step 1. Log into your Facebook account. Open the Facebook app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Go to Settings. Click on the downward arrow in the top right corner on desktop or tap the 3 horizontal lines on mobile to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Contact Information. In the Settings menu, look for the General section. Here, you will find your contact information, including your current phone number. Step 4. Edit your phone number. Click on Edit next to your phone number. You may need to enter your password for security purposes. Then remove the old number and enter your new phone number. Step 5. Save changes. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Now your Facebook account is updated with your new phone number. If you encounter any issues, refer to Facebook's Help Center for further assistance.